In today's video, we see a house which is just less than 2000 square feet. This house is ideal for a rectangular shaped plot. As soon as you enter, there is a small sit out which leads you to the living room. From the living room, you can access a small study area and also a dining room. There is a very clear separation given between the living and dining areas. All the 3 bedrooms in this house are of the same size, that is 130 square feet. One of the bedrooms is in the ground floor. It has an attached toilet too. The kitchen is rectangular in shape and can be accessed directly from the dining area. The staircase to the first floor also begins from the dining room. The space is very large and can also be utilized as an internal family living area. There is also a common toilet which can be accessed directly from the dining room. In the first floor, there are 2 bedrooms with attached toilets, an upper living area and a family living room. The family living room can also be converted into a TV area or an audio-visual room. There are 2 open terraces, one of which can be enclosed and can be used as a utility area. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more similar content.